Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we got a 2015 Chrysler 200 and today I'm gonna show you how to change the cabin air filter of that car. So the cabin filter is on passenger side. So you have to remove that flap. You can just pull it out, it will come out. And here is your air filter. You can change it from here by clipping, just push it down, that thing, and then pull it out, right? And you can see your air filter here, so you can just push it out. Just give me a second. So to take this one out, you have a clip over there. You can pull it down and it will come out, and just move it like this, and there is a clip over there, it will come out. Make sure to put a rag over there, otherwise there will be dust will get on your floor. And see how bad the filter is. And there is a one lock over there. You can just move it like this to take your filter out. So see how much dirty it is. So guys, so that's our new filter. We are putting it back. Hold on. So that one is our new filter. As you can see in my video, the old filter was pretty dirty, and whenever you are putting, you have to make sure you put it correctly, because this one is showing airflow from this side to that side. So when we are putting, we have to check. It says on that too. As you can see, that's the upper part. Let me show you. That's the upper part and that's the lower part. So it will go like this, and airflow is from that side to that side. So you have to put filter that says airflow from that side to that side. So put it back. You have to just lower that thing a little bit, and you can put your filter back. So after putting back, you can put that one like this. Oh yeah, you have to pull a little bit. You have to press upper side a little bit, and it will get automatically lock, and that lock will go there. Let me see. So yeah, once you are done, you have to put that thing back. That thing, and that will go like this. So that should be fit over there. Let me see. Yeah, over here. That will fit over there, and it will get lock automatically. Oh yeah. See, that's how you can lock it up. So it's pretty easy, guys. You can do it at your home, and you have to change that filter every 2 years. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, you can just comment on the video, and I'll help you. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a good one.